Hey everyone, Jody from Bird Off-Road Adventures here. Today we're going to show you our brand new 3W liners, floor liners. Man, these are awesome, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is just one of the floor liners. We got some more footage of the other ones here coming up. But this is one of the few, if not the only, what I've been told is called a hybrid liner. So you've got your carpeted piece right here, and then you've got your normal all-terrain floor liner. And this, much like the stock ones, just pops off and pops back on. These little fittings here, these little nubs here. Of course, they have ones on the back side that mount to the factory floorboard. And you might be asking, like, well, what's the purpose of that? Well, some of us, we drive these vehicles every day. And some of us drive these hard on the trails, get them good and dirty. Even though we clean them out, we may not have a chance to really scrub them good, get it all out, rinse it out, just the big chunks. But then we got to go to work next day, or we got to go to a job interview, or a funeral, or a wedding, you name it. You got your nice pretty shoes on, or if you like me, you like to wear flip-flops a lot. You don't want to get all that dirt all over your new shoes, or you don't want to scratch them up. So, voila, you put the carpet ones back in, makes it feel all nicer, a lot softer, and it looks a little better. Now, this is the passenger side front, but these also come on the driver's side front, as well as there's two of these in the back on both sides of the hump. At least that's what I call it. So, most likely in my case, the passenger side and the rears will probably stay intact the whole time, with very few exceptions. Because Miley's up in the seat, typically it's just me in there. Now, if I have a friend or a buddy, or say my brother's visiting from Tennessee and he wants to hit some trails, we'll definitely probably take it out of the passenger side. But I want my passengers to be comfortable and enjoy their ride when I'm not on the trails as well. So this is pretty cool innovation on their part. Like I said, I think they're the only ones that have this. I've not seen any other ones. Definitely the factory liners don't have it. And the previous aftermarket liners that we had doesn't have that feature as well. So as you can see here, these are pretty nice looking. And as you'll also see, these fit very well in the truck. They are laser lined. I mean, like I said, I had aftermarket look kind of similar to this prior to these, and these fit best. These are the best fitting liners I've seen for the Bronco. And I'm not saying that lightly because, they really do fit flush around the edges, and they flip flush to the floorboard and the floor itself. So can't say that enough. You're definitely going to get the top quality that you can buy when you get these, and these things are affordable. Come on, who doesn't like to save a little money, especially nowadays in time when gas costs an arm and a leg and groceries they should put you in the poorhouse. Now let's talk about durability. Most of your floor liners you see on the aftermarket, they're single layer. These are actually double layer. So what that means is that they hold their shape and their form over time. As many of you all have probably known, if you've had those factory floor mats, either from Ford or Chevy or Toyota, whoever you bought your vehicle from, over time the edges especially start to curl up, start to get a little misshapen, and they don't look that good after a few years. I can say that for my old 4Runner, and I can say it for those factory Bronco floor liners that I had at once upon a time. They just don't hold their shape. These will stand the test of time because they have that extra protection, extra layer, and they have that heavy duty TPE based paired with detachable premium carpet. So you're going to keep these around for a long time, probably longer than you will your vehicle. You spend the money once, they say, buy once, cry once. Well, buy once, and heck, you don't even have to cry once. So these are something else to mention. The TPE that this is made out of is very much waterproof, stain resistant, and odorless resistant. So let's say I get out here and I get this thing all good and dirty. Miley gets sick in the car and she pukes all over it. It's happened before. There's no worry about rinsing this out and it looking just as good as new. You're not having to get in there and scrub or use any harsh chemicals on it. You just rinse it out real good and it looks just like it was when you pulled it out of the box. So a lot of people can't say that about their products, but 3W can definitely say it. One other thing I want to mention as well is that if you have small children, or like me, if your children have four legs, this TPE material has zero adhesives, zero plastic smell. You don't have to worry about anything, harming any of your pets, your youngins, so to speak. So it's about as friendly as you can get. And like I said before, it cleans out real easy. So if you have a dog like me who sometimes gets a little car sick when she bounces around the trails, or if you have a young child who also gets sick, or maybe a small child and they spit up, or maybe you drop the diaper when you're changing the diaper, rinse off, rinse on, or rinse on, rinse off, I should say. So you're good to go. So all right, quick demonstration on how to put these little carpeted pieces in. You'll see here they pop right on the nubs, just like the stock ones do down below, like we mentioned before. Real quick and easy. Keep your shoes clean, keep your toes clean if you're barefoot or wear flip-flops. You're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We really like getting these. This is not something that we take lightly. We definitely think this is a great quality and would highly recommend these to anybody that's in the market. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. You can make a comment below. We'll put a link in the description below. They often run sales, so hopefully you'll get one at a good time. And be happy to help you out with any questions you have. So please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll get rolling and see you guys in the next one.